Hi guys, my name is Kinsey Joyce.
I'm Johnny.
And we're both from the marketing team at Rishi Tea & Botanicals. We're here today to show you this amazing video for the No and Low cocktail of Tales of the Cocktail community.
We've been in the tea and botanical direct trade business for over 20 years, and we're excited to show you some ways you can use our teas and botanicals in your bar program.
Rishi also just launched an amazing new sparkling botanical beverage in a can that we'll be featuring in some of the cocktails today. We can't wait to show you. All of these videos were filmed socially responsible with Rishi Mask, and we had a little fun with it, so we hope you enjoy as well.
Thanks, guys.
It's a good orange. Ew, how you doing? My name's Matt. I'm here to make you a drink featuring the orange. Orange is my favorite color. I mean, besides gold, obviously. What we're gonna do today is our take on an Americano. We're calling it an O Americano, like an orange. We're gonna start off with a Schizandra berry infused vodka. Schizandra berry is known as the 5-flavor fruit. It's all at the same time. Sweet, sour, tart, salty, something else. I don't remember the 5th one. So we're gonna dump that in there. Oh, a little top off. Ew. Next, we're gonna add our Campari. Oh, there's a lemon. Get out of here. Equal part Campari. Again, about an ounce. Ooh, nice orange. Finally, a sweet vermouth. Gotta add that sweetness. We're gonna do about 3/4 of an ounce here, right over the top. That's looking nice. And then we give it a stir, similar to Negroni. Well, they say that a Negroni is actually a take on an Americano, which came around in about the 1860s. That's a nice dilution. And now, to coup de grace, we're gonna add a little bit of Schizandra Sparkling Botanical. Look at that. A little high pour right on top, an orange wheel. Dehydrated with a little organic hibiscus, just to make it look nice. Bada boom, it's a wonderful drink. Salud. Oh my God.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to my garden. I've been working out in the garden all day and I am parched. Let's make a spritz. Welcome back to my garden. Let's make that spritz. We're gonna make an ume spritz. This is ume plum wine infused with Bai Hao oolong tea. Bai Hao is a bug-bitten tea from Thailand. We are gonna do 3/4 ounces in a champagne flute. We are gonna top that off with our Schizandra berry sparkling botanical. Schizandra berry is a 5-flavor berry. It is also an adaptogen. It will help me relieve all of that stress from working in my garden all day. And there you have it, the ume spritz. Cheers. That is delightful. But who only drinks one cocktail in the afternoon? Let's make another. Next, we are gonna make the Damiana spritz. But first, I need to go cut the garnish. Here we have Damiana, which is an herb from Baja, Mexico, also infused with a saffron bitters botanical blend, reposado tequila, and Jamaican rum. There is also fresh lemons and fresh limes and a little bit of agave for sweetness. We're gonna do 1 ounce of this. We are gonna top that with our turmeric saffron sparkling botanical beverage. This one's my favorite. Look at that presentation. Oh. Cheers.
My hands are all greasy now. I like to scrape it off my body and then cook with it. Where's my water gun? After a long day of cleaning pools, I always like to test the water. This right here is the Pool Boy. It's a real summertime crusher. Start off with 1.5 ounce Coke Americano, quinine flavored wine aperitif, 1.5 ounce fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. Pool Boy needs a 1/2 ounce of gin too. You got those oiled up hands. You gotta make sure you don't slip. And to sweeten things up, 1/2 ounce of honey syrup here. Give this thing a real nice shake. Once it's nice and frothy, give that thing a strain. Top her off with some Rishi Sparkling Botanicals. This is the grapefruit quince. Once you get yourself a Pool Boy, you'll never go back.
Oh boy. Great day out here. Oh, hey there. You like boats? Well, this is my boat. Let's make a cocktail. It's called Without a Paddle. We're gonna start with 1 ounce of Gyokuro infused vodka. Gyokuro is a Japanese green tea. 1/2 ounce Patagonia Superberry infused sherry. It's one of our botanical blends. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Just a touch of lime, just like that there. Let's throw some pineapple chunks in there. About 2, maybe 3. Some ice. Now, pick your cutest glass. We're gonna do a double strain. Let's top her with some bubbles, because we're out on the water, so why not? Shoot. Woo! Okay. Now, we need a garnish. I think I forgot some. Wait a minute here. Here it comes. Oh, right in the water there. Real nice like. She's a beaut. Cheers. Looks like I'm gonna be out here for a while without a paddle. Oh, hang on, it's getting a little choppy, boys. Choppy! Oh boy! Oh.
Three-quarter ounce lemon juice. 1/2 ounce aquafaba. 1/2 ounce honey water. 1 bar spoon rose water. 1.5 ounces Satsuma shochu. 1 gram pre-sifted Rishi Tea House matcha. Black walnut bitters.
That's delicious.
Well, hello there. Thanks for joining me. Those cats outside were making some pretty wild cocktails, huh? Well, you guys were out there. I was in here stroking the ivory. But I think we got time for one more, don't you? This one's called Long Nights in NOLA. We're gonna start with 1 ounce of Rasasvada's Black Ginger. These cats are making non-alcoholic spirits in New York. Really cool stuff. We're gonna start with 1 ounce of that. We're gonna move over to the Funk. Really incredible Jamaican rum. We're gonna do an ounce of this guy too. Some fresh lime. 1 ounce. Now let's get this all incorporated, shall we? Almost forgot the fresh pineapple. Let's go 3 chunks of fresh pineapple. Oh yeah, it's really coming along. Here we go. Double strain into a real sexy glass. And we're gonna top it with some fresh ice. And then the finishing move, sparkling botanicals, dandelion ginger. Really brings it all together. Really great nighttime cocktail. Oh, you know what that makes me want to do? Let's tear it up. Whew, that's out of tune. Hey, pool boy, can you tune this up for me? Guess not. Okay.
Hi everybody, I'm Joshua, the founder of Rishi Tea and Botanicals, and I just want to thank everybody at Tales of the Cocktail for tuning in and checking out my amazingly hilarious and creative team of mixologists and tea tasters. I'd like to introduce them all. This is Seth.
Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Seth. I represent Rishi Tea in Chicago. I spent over a decade behind the bar, and now I have the opportunity to work with tea and botanicals and incorporate them into beverage programs throughout the city. If you ever find yourself in Chicago or want to talk tea, just let me know. Cheers.
What's up, Tales? This is Matt from Rishi Tea. I am the regional sales manager in the South United States. I spent my prior years working behind espresso machines and in Wisconsin's finest dive bars. If you ever want to talk about tea and botanicals, please hit me up, and you know what? We'll see you guys in 2021.
Hello, Tales of the Cocktail. I'm Amy Finn, and I'm the Education Development Manager for Rishi Tea and Botanicals. I have about a decade in cafes, hospitality, and in retail. I love making any type of beverage, and I absolutely love what Tales does. And if you ever want to geek out, talk about some nerdy tea and botanical science, I would love to talk about it.
Thank you very much for tuning in. I think this is the best time for us to engage with this community, the cocktail community, because botanicals are such a key point with some of the best spirits and amazing spirits in the world. We've been in this non-alcoholic game of tea and herbal teas for quite a long time, and we've been studying a lot about infusing herbs and teas in alcohol, and it's just really a fun page in our history to turn and get involved with you guys. And we're an amazing source of bespoke, rarefied direct trade botanicals. I personally travel all over the world with a team of a few others. We've got creativity, we have the information and passion to share with you. And I would love for you guys to engage with us. So thank you very much, Tales. I hope we're back again. See ya.